Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to understand one of the most important pillars of object-oriented programming, called encapsulation. Encapsulation is a core concept that helps us write secure, well-structured, and maintainable programs. Almost every modern programming language such as C++, Java, C#, and Python uses encapsulation extensively. By the end of this lecture, you will clearly understand what encapsulation is, why it is needed, and how it works with a real-world example. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation is the process of wrapping data and the methods that operate on that data into a single unit, called a class. In simple words, encapsulation means binding data and behavior together and protecting the data from direct access from outside the class. Instead of allowing users to directly change data, encapsulation ensures that data can be accessed or modified only through well-defined methods. This approach improves data security and prevents accidental misuse of information. Why encapsulation is needed in real-world software development? Data is very valuable and sensitive. If data is openly accessible, it can be changed incorrectly, leading to errors and system failures. Encapsulation solves this problem by controlling access to data. It allows developers to decide which data should be visible and which should be hidden. By hiding internal details and exposing only necessary operations, encapsulation reduces complexity, improves code readability, and makes software easier to maintain and update. Real-world example of encapsulation. To understand encapsulation clearly, consider a bank account. A bank account has sensitive information such as account number and balance. As a customer, you cannot directly access or modify the balance. Instead, you use specific actions like deposit or withdraw. You don't see how the bank internally updates the balance. You only interact through predefined operations. This is exactly how encapsulation works in programming. The data is hidden, and access is provided only through controlled methods. Encapsulation in programming. In object-oriented programming, encapsulation is implemented using access modifiers. Access modifiers decide how data and methods can be accessed. For example, some data members are marked as private, meaning they cannot be accessed directly from outside the class. Public methods are provided to read or modify this data in a controlled way. This ensures that data remains safe and consistent throughout the program. Example of encapsulation, conceptual explanation. Let us consider a student class. A student has attributes such as name, roll number, and marks. If these attributes are openly accessible, anyone can set marks to any value, even invalid ones. To avoid this, encapsulation is used. The marks are kept private, and methods are provided to set and get the marks. These methods can include validation rules, ensuring that only valid data is stored. In this way, encapsulation protects the data and ensures correct usage. How encapsulation improves security? One of the biggest advantages of encapsulation is data security. Since data is hidden and cannot be accessed directly, the risk of unauthorized modification is reduced. Users interact only with methods, and these methods can enforce rules and validations. This makes the system more reliable and less prone to errors. In large applications like banking systems or e-commerce platforms, encapsulation plays a crucial role in protecting critical data. Encapsulation and code maintainability. Encapsulation also improves code maintainability. Since internal implementation details are hidden, changes inside a class do not affect other parts of the program. For example, if you change how data is stored internally, you don't need to change the code that uses the class, as long as the public methods remain the same. This makes updating and maintaining large software systems much easier. Encapsulation versus data hiding. Encapsulation and data hiding are closely related, but not exactly the same. Data hiding focuses on restricting direct access to data, while encapsulation focuses on bundling data and methods together. In practice, encapsulation is achieved through data hiding. Together, they form a strong foundation for secure and organized software design. Advantages of encapsulation. Encapsulation offers several important benefits. It enhances data security by preventing unauthorized access. It improves code readability and organization by clearly defining how data should be used. Encapsulation also promotes modularity, making programs easier to test and debug. Most importantly, it allows developers to control how data is accessed and modified, reducing the chances of logical errors. Encapsulation in real applications. Encapsulation is used everywhere in real-world software. In a banking application, account details are encapsulated. In a mobile app, user settings are encapsulated. In an online shopping system, product details and pricing logic are encapsulated. Without encapsulation, managing large software systems would be extremely difficult and error-prone. To conclude, encapsulation is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming that helps in protecting data and maintaining clean software design. By wrapping data and methods together and controlling access through well-defined interfaces, encapsulation ensures security, reliability, and maintainability. It allows programmers to build robust applications that are easy to understand and modify. Understanding encapsulation is essential for mastering object-oriented programming and becoming a skilled software developer. If you found this explanation helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. In the next video, we will explore inheritance with real-world examples and easy explanations. Until then, keep practicing and happy coding. 火箭